चलो, once again let's recap everything. M represents the slope of a line. If two lines are parallel, let's say इसका slope m1 है, इसका slope m2 है, तो क्या होगा उन लोग के बीच का? What will be the relation between m1 and m2?
1 is to m2, 1 is to 1.
m1 is equal to m2 हो गया कि नहीं? तो if there are 3 points which are collinear, A, B, C. So if इसका slope m1 है, इसका slope m2 है,
m1 is to m2.
this will m1 is to m2 मतलब
Ratio.
तो क्या होगा? What will be the ratio?
1:1.
1:1. So can I say m1 is also equal to m2 when 3 lines are collinear? So AB and BC का slope will be same. Okay? If 2 lines are perpendicular to each other, if this slope is m1, this slope is m2, what is the relation between them? m1 is equal to minus 1 upon m2, or m2 is equal to minus 1 upon m1, or m1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. तीनों रिलेशन समझ में आ गए? Right?
m1 into m2 is equal to -1.
Minus 1. Understood all the relationships? And now you know what is the inclination and what is yes. What is the inclination? Inclination is a degree and slope is a numerical value. What are anti-clockwise degrees that we form from x-axis only? Only from x-axis. Now what are the two ways of finding slope? M can be found by inclination. By what relation? M is equal to tan theta. And M, if only two intercepts are given. No. Only if, listen, look over here. When two coordinates are given, how will you find slope?
Coordinate formula.
क्या है वो formula?
X equals x square minus
Nonsense.
y2
y2
minus y1 x minus x1.
So can I say I can find the slope of a line if I have 2 points? This is called as 2 points formula. What is it called?
2 points formula.
Now, did I teach you slope intercept formula? Y is equal to mx plus c. This is, let's say, this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. This is going to be your theta or not?
Yeah.
This is your theta. At this point, let's say at a distance of c, the x-intercept, y-intercept पता है? When the line, when it intercepts the x-axis, the coordinate is the x-intercept, and when it intercepts the y-axis, the coordinate is y-intercept. So, what if this is c, this distance is c, what will be the coordinates of this point? Y. c है, ये distance c है. तो क्या होगा इसका coordinate? 0, x.
0, y.
y नहीं बेटा, c होगा ना. y का वैल्यू c है.
अच्छा ठीक.
अरे ये distance is equal to the value of y ना. 1, 2, 3 यहाँ पे लिखते हैं. Instead of 1, 2, 3 is c. So can I say the coordinates of this point will be 0, c?
Yes.
Now if I draw a straight line parallel to x-axis here, if this is theta, this will also be theta. Why? Because we have what kind of angles? What kind of F formation होता है? So what pair is it? Collinear. Corresponding pairs. Corresponding pairs. So this is also theta. This is 0, c. Let's say this point is P, x, y. Now what are we trying to do by this? We have to find equation of a line. अभी हम लोग को बहुत अच्छे से बताया to find the equation of a line. Equation of a line, we have to find equation. We already know it has to be in terms of x and y. So here, x, y, let's say, formula. X, y is, let's say, one of the points in this line P. P से मैंने यहाँ पे perpendicular drop किया. ये भी perpendicular होगा कि नहीं? Okay. The value of this means this is x or not? इसीलिए इसका value x है ना? X coordinate. ये पूरा y होगा कि नहीं? इसीलिए ये y coordinate है. So can I say this whole thing is y? And out of which this much is c? इतना c है ना? ये y, ये पूरा y है. तो ये इतना सा पार्ट कितना होगा?
y minus
c. So can I say p to r is y minus c? This much is y minus c. ठीक है? अभी थीटा है मेरे पास. तो थीटा से स्लोप कैसे निकालते हैं हम लोग? So can I say slope is equal to tan theta? But tan theta is what? Opposite upon?
Adjacent.
So can I say y minus c upon it? ये कितना है?
X.
समझ में आ रहा है? सुमित? हाँ चलेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम, ये समझ में आया था? So can I say mx is equal to y minus c? Or can I say y is equal to mx plus c? Can I say y is equal to mx plus c? From this, what am I getting? M is my slope and c is my y-intercept. What is it? Y-intercept, which means the point at which the line passes through y-axis. So c is my y-intercept. इधर तक समझा? Let's say now. So can I say if I have the y-intercept and if I know the slope, I can always find the equation of a line. Equation of a line मतलब 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. ऐसा टाइप का कुछ equation होगा, right? So from this example, if I have an equation 2x minus 4y is equal to 5, इसमें से मुझे कोई बता सकता है y-intercept क्या है और slope क्या है? बता पाओगे? डायरेक्ट देख के नहीं बता पाओगे, गलत।
2x is equal to 5 plus 4y.
नहीं, हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to bring this equation in terms of y is equal to mx plus c form. मतलब y x side होना चाहिए and y should not have any coefficient. Do you agree? So can I say 4y इस तरफ लेकर गए is equal to 2x minus 5? Y should not have any.
Y is equal to 2x minus.
So 1 upon 2x minus 5 upon 4. अरे बेटा डिवाइड बाय 4 कर दिया दोनों को इंडिविजुअली। क्यों किया इंडिविजुअली? दोनों को साथ में नहीं ले सकते, दे हैव टू बी सेपरेट टर्म्स। फ्रॉम दिस कंपेयरिंग, लुक हियर, कंपेयरिंग विथ y is equal to mx plus c, what do I get? x का कोएफिशिएंट इज m. What is the coefficient of x? ये चीज को अगर आप अपॉन 4 लिख देते ना तो नहीं आता आंसर। ये इंडिविजुअल लेना पड़ेगा हर टर्म के लिए। आई एम राइटिंग इट 1 upon 2 into 5 upon 4। समझा?
किया है ना?
आपने किया, इन लोगों ने नहीं। जस्ट 2 मिनट्स। सो कंपेयर करेंगे तो m क्या आया बता अभी? 1 upon 2 और एक y इंटरसेप्ट क्या आया? y इंटरसेप्ट और c नहीं, माइनस 5 upon 4। कंपेयर करेगा तो साइंस भी कंपेयर करते हैं। सो कैन आई से if I have an equation of a line, I can find the slope and I can find the y-intercept. And if I have y-intercept, I can find the if I have the I have the slope and y-intercept, I can find the equation of a line. Let's say I have been given m is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 1 by 2. Can I make the equation of a line? I can. Y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to 2 into x minus 1 upon 2. So 2y is equal to 4x minus 1. So can I say the equation of this line will be 4x minus 2y is equal to 1. So m and c से मुझे क्या मिल रहा है? Equation of a line. Equation of a line से भी मुझे m और c मिल जाता है कि नहीं? c most of the times is useless, नहीं लगता है, but m मिल गया तो we can do a lot of things, isn't it? Did you understand? This is called as the slope intercept formula. What is it called? Did you understand the slope intercept formula? Now moving on. पैर अंदर कर दिया।
पीछे बैठो।
Right. Second formula is 1 point and slope is given. 1 point is given and slope is given. Okay? समझ में आया? So let's say I have a line. Okay? In this line, I know that m is equal to certain value m. M is given to me. And 1 point is given. Let's say P's points are given. Let's say P's points are x1 and y1. Let's say the point P. What is given to me? 1 point is given and the slope is given. Let's say the point P is given to me.
बोलो अरे कंटिन्यू.
Point P x1 y1 is given to me and M is given to me. To make an equation of a line, I need 2 points minimum to make a line. 2 point तो लगता ही है. So we will assume, and to make an equation of a line, I need x and y. So I will assume a point Q is equal to x comma y. x comma y. अभी मुझे बताओ, ये फॉर्मूला तो हमें पता है ना स्लोप का. Can I say m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1? In this case, we know these three values. Do we know these three values? Now, tell me what is y2 here? y2 is y,
Yeah.
isn't it? So can I say y minus y1 upon x minus, and this is x. This is x. So x minus x1. So can I say m into x minus x1? x1 we know, m we know. Is equal to y
X
minus.
पता है ना x1
नहीं, x और y मैंने assume किया है. x1 y1 मुझे पता है. एक पॉइंट दिया है और एक स्लोप है.
x1 y1 का वैल्यू पता है.
हाँ बेटा, x1 y1 यही तो है पॉइंट स्लोप, मतलब एक पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट्स पता है और स्लोप पता है. सो ये दोनों मिल गया तो मुझे मिल जाएगा कि नहीं इक्वेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, स्लोप ऑफ लाइन इज इक्वल टू 5/2. एक स्लोप दिया है आपको, पासेस थ्रू अ पॉइंट P, passes through Q, 2 comma minus 1. Find the equation. कैसे निकालोगे इक्वेशन? Very easy. Use the, always ask yourself what are the values given to me? 1 point and 1 slope. So what is the formula that you will use? Point slope formula. क्या हुआ? Point slope formula. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? दूसरे वाले पॉइंट को let a point B, let a point Q, P, x comma y pass through the line, right? Assume कर रहा है कि नहीं? मैं तुमको समझा रही हूँ इसीलिए. एक और पॉइंट पास करेगा कि नहीं लाइन से? कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे? Therefore, by point slope formula, m into x minus x1 is equal to y minus y1. x और y मुझे नहीं पता, y1 और x1 पता है कि नहीं? क्या है y1 x1?
2
comma minus
-1
और m भी पता है. So can I say 5/2 upon x minus 2 is equal to y minus minus 1.
Plus 1.
So can I say 5x minus 10 is equal to 2y plus 2? So can I say 5x minus 2y is equal to 12? Did I get the equation of a line? Using which formula? By only having one point and one slope, I am able to. कैसा ऐसा मुख क्यों बना हुआ है? देखने में प्रॉब्लम है. समझ नहीं आता दोस्तों.
दिख रहा है
समझ में आया? So if I have the y-intercept and the slope, I can find it by which formula? Slope intercept formula. If I have one point, one coordinate, and I have the slope, which is the formula that I will use. And if I have 2 points, then I can always find the slope. और एक बार slope मिल गया, लेकिन slope से तो मुझे सिर्फ slope ही मिला, 2 पॉइंट दिया है तो इक्वेशन मिला क्या? नहीं. तो हम लोग इक्वेशन कैसे निकालेंगे? m मिल गया ना एक बार, उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? सुनो, we will select any of the 1 points. Choose any of the 1 points, any of the point out of 2 we know. And slope and एक पॉइंट लेके तीसरा पॉइंट अज्यूम कर सकते हैं x, y. तो पॉइंट स्लोप पे डाल सकते हैं कि नहीं उसको?
तो जब 2 पॉइंट फॉर्मूला करना था, पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्मूला फिर से करना
ही पड़ेगा. इक्वेशन के लिए we have to assume a third point, unknown point. नहीं तो इक्वेशन कैसे मिलेगा? पॉइंट 2 पॉइंट फॉर्मूला से सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्लोप मिलता है. स्लोप मिलने के बाद if you know the y-intercept, then you can use the slope intercept formula. If you don't know anything else, select one point. Choose one point of your liking and put it in the point slope formula. You will get the equation of the line.
first वाला formula